Hi guys, today I have this Kiwico Eureka Crate Box. The main topic is trashketaball. It's down here says build a pop-action basketball trash can and sink a 3-pointer. Wow, this looks so fun. Let's open it. It looks like this. Wow, it looks super interesting. Here are the materials. Wow, it has a screwdriver. And what is this? I have no idea what this is. And there's also this basket hoop that goes here. There's some other woods and some strings. And this is gigantic. Oh, wow, this is a big wood. Nope. Let's start building. Let's try it. It works perfectly. And here's the trash can. Awesome. Also, you can close it and then everybody see this little thing out here. I didn't cover it, but it makes a little space and then you can, it's like it's jumping actually. Bye everyone, see you next time when I make new Kiwicos.